I'm going to show you all the things we bought for our new home. Okay, I'm going to show you, I'm going to unbox everything, the ones I can unbox. So I'm going to unbox and then show you guys a clip of what our home is going to look like our new home, how it's going to look like, the imagination. So if you are actually interested in this kind of video, just sit down, relax, and I will be right back. So welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Francisca the Super Mom. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Francisca. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Italy with my family, my wonderful and lovely family. So we really appreciate your time. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. What do you expect from this channel? Yeah, let me tell you exactly what you're going to expect from this channel. One is family vlogs, and secondly, entertainment of every aspect, okay, and thirdly, mukbang. So I hope you are going to enjoy it here with us. Thank you so much. And for my old subscribers, you all are welcome. Thank you for always coming around. Thank you for your time. I will never take that for granted, because I'm going to show you all the things we bought for our new home. Okay, I'm going to show you, I'm going to unbox everything, the ones I can unbox. So I'm going to unbox and then show you guys a clip of what our home is going to look like our new home, how it's going to look like, the imagination. So if you're interested in this kind of video, just sit down, grab your popcorn and relax. Okay. Before I even go ahead, can you see this, my hair? I decided to rock this hair today for you guys. This is my natural hair, and yeah, I did tell you I cut my hair. I cut my hair after delivering triplets, because there's something we'll call akamugo. Like after delivery, you find out that your hair will just, some will be cutting, like some it will be short and some will be long, like it will just be falling out. So I noticed that, not even noticing, like it happens to me, and I decided to cut my entire hair. I cut everything, yeah. So when I now cut it, and I allow it to grow. So this ones are just coming up small now. So yeah, today I decided to show you guys. Okay, I feel so comfortable with my natural hair. In fact, so guys, someone actually rang the bell, so I went out to check who it was. I'm back now. So as I was saying, I think I was talking about my hair. I've forgotten where I stopped, but enough of my hair. Today we're actually doing unboxing. Okay, I want to show you guys the things we bought for our new home. I keep calling it new home because, you know, as I told you guys in the other video, that we are buying things from zero. Okay, so entirely everything in the house we want to change it. Not really because we have the money to change it, but because our kids have destroyed almost all the things we have in this house, so we decided to change them. Yeah, so but it's a gradual process, and yeah, right now we have the ones we bought. If you have not watched other videos, please try to watch it, how we bought the things, and also how we brought it from upstairs to from downstairs to upstairs. So if you have not watched all those videos, go and watch it. I'll also keep the link. I'll drop the link on the description box so that you can click on it and to take you direct to where these videos are found. So guys, yeah, so let me tell you guys what we got from the Mondo Convenience, okay, from the shop. We actually bought a master room for our own room, special room now, you understand. So we got wardrobe, a bed, the mirror, and the table, like everything complete. They call it complete here. So everything complete for the room. And also for my kids, we also bought wardrobe and bed. There is how they put it. Maybe if I may clip the clip on this video, okay, it's just a wardrobe, and it has two bed, like double bed. So we bought it two because we already have two already, so we bought two. Yeah, with the extra two we have, it's going to make it four. Then with the double bed they has, it will make it eight. So yeah, I like it that way because if we actually have a visitor are coming with their kids, we will not have a problem of thinking of where they will stay. We will just immediately bring out the magic bed. Okay, we will bring out the magic bed, and that will solve the problem. So that is why we went for the bed that has double, we went for the wardrobe that has double bed, so that in case we will have visitors, and yeah, it won't be a problem. So guys, now yeah, for the wardrobe, the color we got is blue and white. Yeah, we got navy blue, sorry, royal blue and white. So we got it, and yeah, we got two of it, the other plus the other one three. So three, we don't know yet, but we will plan that three, we're going to actually fix three wardrobes in one room for triplets. Okay, yeah, maybe I will leave the clip for you guys to see. So we don't know how it's going to, but for two, for sure, two will enter in that room. The room is actually large, so but three wardrobes, we don't know if it will enter. Okay, but that is just the imagination for now. So guys, yeah, that is for the room. And then I ordered ties, fake ties for my kids room. So because the room has white and blue wardrobe and bed, so I actually ordered this, the fake ties, and this, okay, is actually white and blue, and is the exact royal blue. Can you see that? When it comes to fashion or decoration, not even try me. My problem right now is that I don't have time. If I have time, oh, fashion people will just know that I'm around. If I have time, I know how to design, and I also know how to combine colors. I know how to, don't worry, let's not just go there. So here is this one and this one. They are fake ties. Inside this one now is we have 10 pieces inside it. We have 10 inside it, and I ordered 100. So I ordered 100 for this blue, okay, 100 for this blue color, and then 100 also for the white color, so making it 200 ties. Yeah. How come? What am I even doing? Okay, I'm actually the one that. So this is actually 100 of this white color. I don't want to bring them out one, guys. It's going to be too much work for me. So I have 100 pieces of this white one here, and I also have 100 pieces of this blue color. Okay, 10 inside one pack, 10 inside one pack. So I have 100 inside here, making it 200. So the cotton also is going to be white and blue. Okay, their room definitely is going to be white and blue color, so I'm going for white and royal blue. And another thing is the wall. So I got this for the wall. This is actually normal roller. Am I supposed to open it? Okay, actually do not want to have too much. So this is normal roller to paint a house. It's complete here. Okay, it's complete here. All the things that is needed, they are complete inside here. Okay, so this one is normal roller, normal roller. Then I ordered all these things. I ordered actually from AliExpress. I like ordering things from AliExpress. So this one now is actually for a pattern paint. So I intended, after using this one to paint a blue wall or a white wall, then we will now use this one to actually make a pattern design, okay, with blue. Do you get it? I may leave a clip so you understand what I'm trying to say. So this actually is a machine for a pattern paint. is different from this one. This one is actually for a normal, is a roller, just normal, our normal paint roller. How do you call it? So yeah, so that is it for this one. So as you can see, this one is for the pattern paint. Just start to imagine how their room will look like. It's going to be so beautiful. So guys, yeah, so that is it for my kids' room. Okay, that is it for my kids' room. Is there any other thing that is remaining? The wall, the curtain, the tiles, the wardrobe, and the television. We also bought a television, a new television for them. You know, the one they had before, they destroyed it. So we got another one for them. And then yeah, that is it for their room. So now for our own room, as I told you guys before, it's just complete: the bed, the wardrobe, the mirror, the two sides, what is it called, the cabinet, and yeah, and the color is actually ash color. So the wall, we are intending to paint the wall ash color also. And yeah, the wardrobe, you can't wait to see that wardrobe. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It has a mirror. I like it so much. So I'm going to show you guys anytime we are fixing all, and I'm also going to do a room tour or even a flat or house tour, okay, for you guys to see everything. Your girl is happy, though we have not fixed everything, but oh my god, if I'm sleeping, I feel like, when am I going to wake up from this imagination, like to see them in reality, see it happening? So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so that is actually why I'm rushing everything. I'm so sorry if I'm speaking so fast. So guys, let's come to the living room. Living room. Yeah, firstly. So guys, see you guys in the next one, and I say may God richly bless you all, and bye for now. Ciao. Ciao, ciao.